All right, everyone should start joining in. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, Birdie? Yo. All right, we about to. I'm just wait to see if one or two more people join real quick before I kind of do these quick markups because we got to open in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna just try to speed run it. You know how it get. All right, I'm gonna just do my markups quick and easy. Move US 30 over more. We're gonna start off on NAS like we always do. The same shit, different day. Previous day's high, previous day's low. Boom, boom. Previous day's low. Get the 12 a.m. open right in here. Boom. Asian session range. As of right now, everything is extremely bullish. We did run the Asian session low, which is something I did like to see, which is also another reason why I'm partially bullish for the day, because we already came down, cleared the Asian session low, and also grabbed the liquidity buy it, and we also filled in this fair value gap right here that ended up getting filled in fully. From there, that's where price kind of had this expansion to the top side. So that's why part of me does believe we're still going to remain bullish, even though it does look like it needs to pull back. I think we're more than likely going to continue pushing just based off of this higher time frame. We already made our way from this weekly low all the way to that weekly high, all the way up there, just like that. So one thing I'm going to be looking for is, ideally, best case scenario right now, we could be getting a pullback down to, I say, maybe ideally right below this Asian range. Not below the Asian range, right below the 12 a.m. open. I think that would be a pretty ideal area, considering pullback and also considering where we are price wise. That is right around the 12,000 big figure level. So if we're able to hold a position around there, I think there's a good chance price may continue to push up and then have a target of this high up here. That would be an ideal exit, considering after it runs this high, it might just keep coming lower. So that's always something to keep in mind. Also keep in mind the level above it, or right near it, we have that 11,100 level that price is rejecting off of. But that's the range we're in. We're kind of just in a big 100-point range as of right now. But ideally, my directional bias is going to remain bullish for the time being, considering how bullish we are. But yeah, if we're gonna have a big drop, I do think it might happen with NFP, in my opinion. But right now, everything is pointing bulls. Hello? Yo. A little better. Still my nose and stuff. What? Stuffing. Maybe. I don't care that much no more. It is what it is now. Yeah. Nah, my body was hurting past like 3 days. Not right now, but it was hurting. Nah, I've been taking NyQuil. Yeah, well, I feel better now, so do something. Yeah, I'm getting better. It was worse the past few days. It's only going down now. Yes, yeah, that's why I'm not going back to Philly. That's why I'm not going back to Philly. Everyone over there is sick. Maybe. Regardless, it all took place in one place. Regardless, it all took place in a whole different state. Yeah, but less likely. Yeah, I'm feeling maybe it could have been him, could have been like 6 other people. I know they're sick. Yeah, I'm on my computer now. I just took a shower. Yeah, I'm feeling better now. All right, I'll talk to you later. All right, bye. Ugh. All right, we active. We active. I mean, this is ideally what I'm thinking right now. If we do pull back lower, I'm thinking that 11,900 area for sure. But that's if we pull back lower. Ideally, best case scenario, if we're gonna drop lower, is probably try to catch a reversal, which I'm not sure when it's gonna happen. This could be our high from 8:30 when we got that news, but honestly, I don't know for sure. It's kind of a wait and see type of thing right now because we could end up just trending higher, but we also could end up just making that run lower to maybe 11,900 because we do need that pullback, but there's no saying when we'll get a pullback, if we'll get a pullback. What's up, Cal?
What up?
What's up, boys? What y'all thinking?
I have no
Bullish?
idea.
Yeah,
Low
right.
key.
Right now this is a weird spot. I would say bullish just to keep the trend, but we'll see.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Only time will tell.
If anything, short term sells.
Yeah,
That's
that's
all.
why I was thinking short term, I at least down to 12,000, but there is a chance I think it might go to 11,900. Because even then, that's a small ass pullback. It's still not a major pullback down there. But we'll see. It's the 38.20% is still a minute away, considering how big this range is. That's still about damn near almost 200 points. We'll see. If we have anything like yes, nah, I doubt it'll be like yesterday. Yesterday that was Powell speaking, wasn't it?
Where would price want to go that could hurt a lot of people?
Hmm. Down. I'm assuming. Everyone's probably thinking it's gonna break out right here. Matter of fact, I already closed that high though. Because if you look at it on the daily, we ran yesterday. I remember how yesterday I was looking at how we ran that low of the week, and I was like, it could engulf. I wasn't expecting that kind of engulfing, but shit happens.
Bullish Powell.
Like, bro, we were all the way down here, all the way down here at one point. Like, we were looking at the market while it was down here, and this candle just flipped 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5, 6 days of price action.
Should have expected it to go bullish. I thought it was gonna like tank, but
I just didn't expect it to be that bullish. Like, I expected like it to push with the news, but bro was on some Donald Trump shit. The way that shit moved. How big is that move? That's on Nas.
well, usually anytime Powell speaks, it goes bullish.
570. Yeah, I remember you had told me yesterday. I think it came a little bit lower towards the end of the day, and then it went higher again, right? Yeah, it like cleared these lows. So regardless, any of my buys would have got stopped out. So I ain't even mad at it.
I've been saying what like 12,700, 12,800 area for like a month now.
Damn, yeah, you started went up 1,000 points just from that move from yesterday. I would want to see a short term move to the downside also, but it's just the type of thing where I'm not trying to get caught in the middle of a trending market.
Yeah,
So it would make sense for us to sell considering we made this high at 8:30, ran the Asian session high and the Asian session low. And we're kind of engulfing, I think, on like the hour. Not yet on the hour, but we could engulf on the hour. It's definitely possible, but we gonna see. We gonna see. Yesterday
see what.
was annoying, so hopefully we get a nice Nice move today. I'm trying
There's
to see
also there's some news that come out at like 2:30. I think
too.
it's like Fed
FOMC.
varsity. No, I think FOMC is on Friday,
I think
and
NFP is tomorrow.
yeah, and NFP. My fault. Yeah, NFP.
We got PMI news at 9. Well, in like an hour
9.
and a half.
I'm like 9. That's 30 minutes ago. All right, so is that like 10 then? That's good then. That might be if we drop low enough.
30 minutes.
If we're say like around a certain area at that 10 o'clock, that'll give me more reason to buy. Right now, I'm kind of just watching shit drop.
Yeah, we got news at that time, so
Yeah, I'm gonna see how we play around this area right now. Cause what is it now? It's to open now. Yeah, I'm gonna watch this little fib area because this is the area I am looking for a possible move. But I would rather see us run this wick at least. At least grab some liquidity, or at least come down to that 12,000 level. Because if you're able to hold like a long from 12,000, I think you'll have the best case scenario in case it does drop or in case it does go higher. Because stop loss, you're only risking about 30 points for possible like what 110, 120. It's not bad. We'll see. I'm gonna just have my lot sizes open on MetaTrader. You know how it would be. You know how it would be. Gotta stay ready. But we'll see if US30 pushes too. If US30 holds 500, I think we'll be good. But both look like they're gonna hold this area. It's just a matter of if I'm gonna be able to catch it. And if this just pushes here and breaks this high, I'm just walking away. I'm not even gonna do it to myself. Yeah, I think 12,000 would be a pretty good area. We'll see. 12,000 stop loss below this low in anticipation that we might get a continuation. And if this doesn't play out, then this would be a L. The next nice area will probably be a watch for that 11,900. But even then, it's still going to be a little bit risky. But we'll see. Only time will tell. But as of right now, it does look like it's going to go higher and not go up. So with that being said, I'm going to move NAS on over and I'm going to look at US30. Because US30 is still dropping. So if I'm able to get a good placement on not NAS, US30, might be good. Should do my markups on here though. Yeah, I'm thinking US30 definitely has some room to the top side if it holds like NASA's. We'll see. Ideally, I'm still bullish though. That's my main thing right now. And looking at NAS, I think US30 should have a push. So even though I don't have many markups on US30, it's very similar to what I'm looking at on NAS. It's just NAS already had that move to the top side. But let's see if they're gonna move opposites today and fuck everyone up. Yeah, it looks like they're moving opposites. Ain't that some shit? Let's see. Get the 12 AM open. Yeah. Guess they wanna keep dropping. Well, there goes US30 dropping. Let's see what NAS does.
I think we might want to sell off.
Shit. US30 looks like NAS still had a chance to push. That's why these shits are annoying.
You think U30 just trying to take out those lows to go higher?
It
Yeah,
could.
that's one sell off to go up higher. So US 30. Yeah.
I like US 30. It's just a matter of this shit's so volatile sometimes. Yeah, it'll be ideal to hold 500 level, but if it doesn't, then who knows? Because NASA's pushing, so I don't know what US 30 is trying to do.
That's right. And 500's just chilling.
Exactly. I don't know. And tomorrow's NFP. Probably not gonna trade tomorrow more than likely. So if I don't get anything today, then it's just been a shitty ass week. Right, and the A's in such a high. I mean, it looks US 30 looks way nicer for the sell than NAS did. NAS looks way nicer for the buy. That shit took off on NAS, ran that low and just flew. That would have been the trade right there, ideally, but yeah, NAS looks bullish. I don't know what US 30 is trying to do. Yeah, when you move opposites like this, it should just be annoying because you don't really know what's going on now. One's going higher, one's going lower. It makes you think it's nice, maybe just going for a pullback. Who knows? Pullback to potentially go lower. Maybe, maybe not. It's just a weird place in price. And that's just cleared these highs, so it looks like it would want to come lower. But then I wouldn't want that for US 30 because US 30 is just going to keep dropping on. And that's not what I want to see. And on the 1 minute on NAS, got this fair value gap right here. Damn, damn, damn. Yeah, if US 30 follows this, then it might be just dropping that for the day. Because like I said, US 30 looks way better for a short if you were to get in at the Asian session high. NAS is just about to drop from after it touched this fair value gap. So part of me does think it's just going to go short. Even though I would want it to see go bullish, but I can't make it do nothing. $15 still has 6 minutes. I mean, the 15 minute on NAS is bullish. US 30 is just not bullish at all. No bullishness whatsoever. It would have to be a whole reversal for US 30 to go bullish at this point. And I wouldn't even expect that from it.
US 30 ran that high.
Mm-hmm.
On the weekly.
Yeah, both ran weekly highs and lows. I don't know about the low on US 30. I know NAS ran the low, weekly low.
No, like US 30 passed like a whole pivot.
I haven't really looked at
Look at the
US
weekly.
30. I don't know the highest time for a while. The weekly or the daily?
Weekly on US 30.
This is a lot of wicks here. It's just kind of open now.
It's in a high volume area though.
Shit, we gonna see right now. Nas is falling, so rest in peace on that. Hey, I guess it's gonna go short, and if it just keeps falling, then I guess today wasn't really shit for me.
That's why I was asking you where do you think the markets will want to target to hurt a lot of people?
Yeah. Well, it makes sense to go lower, but it's like I'm not trying to just catch these random highs. For all I know,
Yeah,
this won't even be the
it's
high.
always scary. Like trading around all-time highs.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'll get a nice opportunity on Nas to short them, but right now US 30 is just falling to shit. And Nas is just consolidate. It's just like yesterday, bro. Nas ain't doing shit. Look at that. Back into the range US 30 goes, looks like. Yeah, right now, Nas just look like complete shit. Literal shit. It's just big range. Doesn't look like it wants to go higher, lower. It's doing nothing. Just showing two opposites. That's the main shit that be annoying me. Showing two different things. So now you're just kind of left guessing. And it looks like US 30 could even flip bullish. And this remains bullish. Who knows at this point? This is showing a whole bunch of bullshit. I don't know. Part of me doesn't even want to trade this shit. All week I haven't really seen anything worth my energy. Except for maybe like one move on Monday, but I don't even think I traded it.
I've been trying to catch up on some sleep.
I'm trying to catch up on health.
Yeah, that part.
I feel better now, but it's still not 100.
Go to the gym, drink some water.
Shit, that's all I've been. I haven't gone to the gym. I need to go to the sauna though. That's what I do need.
Yeah, detox.
Yeah, there's doing opposites.
That area where you're looking for like shorts. That's actually where I'm looking for shorts at on 500.
Where on Nas?
Or I don't know if you're looking for shorts over there.
I was looking
On
at
that.
this red at the box I had, but it kind of already went short there. Now we're just coming up again. So I'm looking in this ideal area, but it's a
Yeah.
weird situation because if US 30 ends up just running this London low like it did, and it could just flip bullish now, back to this trending shit. For all I
Yeah,
know,
I'm taking my shorts off that the extreme fair value, like the last one.
you see like this.
Yeah. Or not that one, but the one above it.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. The most
I
extreme.
would make I would like that. I hate I don't like getting too close to certain highs. How wide is that? probably like
Yeah, but I mean, you got that lower high right there too. That
true.
closed.
I don't know. We about to see.
That whole high, it should like if it breaks past that, then we're obviously bullish. Like we were meant to be bullish.
I don't know. It's a weird place time. I don't like how what US30 is doing.
Hmm. But it's almost news and time. 15 minutes.
Mm, I don't know. I want to see it short, but I have a feeling US30 is going to be the one to push from this area, and not as far. Cause especially because this rain is low down here, just makes me believe it wants to go higher. Cause it looks like if you look at it like on a 15-minute on NAS, that shit looks like it's about to run that high. Cause it kind of just opened up too. I don't know. This is a weird situation. I ain't gonna lie. This area and price is just ass. It's not clean. It could still play out, but it's a matter of is it really gonna play out? Anything's possible, but who really knows?
It's already passing. I'll say, like I said, if it runs that high, then obviously bullish.
I see how they're doing polar opposites. Like now that this is coming back into it, you start like pushing back to 500. It's just being weird.
Like it already made that bullish push.
I like that 1 minute doji, but 1 minute candles only do so much for me. Yeah, ideally in this area would probably be the best case scenario. So if anyone's watching this, if you're looking to go short, right now would probably be your best opportunity for Nash. While it's
About to
at least
load it.
staying in this area. Worst comes to worst, it runs that high, but the way I'm looking at it, if this does play out from here, more than likely we're just gonna hold that 500 level on US30, and that's what's gonna cause us to drop from here. That'll be best case scenario. If this doesn't drop from here, it's probably just gonna keep trending. It might just be a continuation day, like I was saying earlier. But who knows? It's a Thursday, so a reversal Thursday would make sense, but I don't know where the reversal would be from. Bullish reversal? Bearish reversal? Who knows?
500 is slowly lagging and dragging.
Yeah, this week's just been ass. Sometimes NFP week is just straight garbage all around.
I always trade lightly on these weeks. I don't really try to trade too heavy.
I just like how we're staying in the area. Ideally, something that would make sense would be just a short position from it here within this fair value gap. Ideally, around that 79%, about a 25-point stop, 30 if you want. 12,000 is still a good target. It's just a matter of are we gonna get that volume for that drop? Maybe, maybe not. Also depends if US30 is gonna hold this 500 level or if it's gonna push back above. Because if you get it back above 500, probably gonna keep pushing for NAS and just run that high. I don't know. If this runs this high, I'm probably just gonna call it a day because it's probably just gonna trend, and I'm not even gonna waste my energy on it.
Yeah.
This is up and down, up and down.
Mm, 500 coming up finally. 30's pushing it.
It's a weird situation. Yeah, this look, four candles that look bearish just for one candle to flip bullish. Yeah, we're staying above 500 now in US 30. We'll see. The area makes sense, but overall price action doesn't really. It's not really helping along with the analysis I have. One candle could fuck it all up. But could fuck the whole analysis up. Best case scenario was at like 9:30. We ran that low for that buy. That would have been probably the best case scenario, and that's what I was looking for. It was just it happened too fast. Like within 2 minutes, it was already gone from that area. Price open, tapped it, and just it was gone from there. Yeah, part of me just thinks it's gonna go bullish. I ain't gonna lie. Part of me doesn't even want to be in this. I have a feeling that US30 is just gonna push bullish from here.
Took a little risky scalp from 34,500 on from 30 to 35,550 just from
Nah, if you're
basically the
long,
first
if
scalp.
you're long, you'll probably be fine. Anything short, I wouldn't bother though. US30 is probably
I
gonna
don't know,
keep
bro.
pushing.
I was too scared to connect. Just the volatility just from yesterday, and just because we're so high, like how you were saying there, I just don't want that shit to flip on me, so I just got out real quick.
Yeah, it's probably gonna hold because US30 ran the lows. The same thing Nas did. It just ran this low, ran a low. This one didn't run the Asian session low, but this one ran the low, and this kind of just pushed from there. And if you look at US30, did the same exact shit.
Yeah,
So if it
and
just
on the daily for yesterday, it closed as like basically a bullish engulfing.
yeah, right now it's not looking too good. We're just in a big ass range in the grand scheme of things, and even in that, it's just a bunch of bullshit.
500 ran the high.
Shit. And now US30 is slowly projecting. I don't know. They're just all doing a bunch of bullshit right now.
Yeah, they're all on their own different agendas.
Like I'm not even trying to make a analysis at this point. I'm just watching. Like this shit's just ass. This is running highs, running lows within the ranges. We already ran all the Asian session highs and lows for all these pairs already too. So it's like, what am I even targeting? Just targeting areas. Literally, I'm just literally targeting areas and price. That's all I have for targets. Just price, price and like an old high. And then look, you get stuff like this where Nas has a full engulfing, but then comes all the way back up. That's just NFP week for you.
Yeah.
Unless this just drops like fucking 200 points, probably just gonna end up closing this shit just so save my mental health, save my energy from being in this shit.
It's crazy. 500 ran price structure. Yeah, this might be a sit out kind of day, low key.
At this point, one of the ugliest Thursdays I've ever seen. This looks like a fucking Tuesday or Wednesday. This is ass for a Thursday. And the shitty thing is it could still play out and it's probably still gonna have a big ass move. It's just looking like fucking complete shit now. Yeah, Nash is just fooling everyone, making it look like it wants to go shorter. These bearish candles are just big cap. Every time it forms one, you get like a bullish engulfing afterwards. And at this point, it makes more sense that it's gonna at least try to run this high and just fucking chop everyone up again. It's gonna run this high. Then it's just gonna come back into the range. It's gonna do his own bullshit. Probably run up again, then drop, then maybe even push higher. Then it's gonna fucking drop. This looks about right. US trade looks like it could still just trend lower, but we got 4 minutes for that candle. If it can
I'm just
close,
shocked that US 500 ran higher and Nas hasn't did it.
everything right now is shocking me. Everything's doing like its own thing. They're all in different areas in price. One's moving high, one's moving low, one's consolidating. It just makes me not want to trade NFP weeks and just literally come Friday at 8:30 and just put everything I'm willing to risk for the week on one trade. And just not trade any other day of that week on NFP. Just NFP. And if I lose, I lose. If I win, so no risk, no reward, I guess. Yeah. I'm just waiting for Nas to push. Part of me just wants to close that shit. This trade is more than likely already run, so if anyone is a short, more than likely you're gonna lose, if I'm being honest. So, just putting that out there. So when it does happen, you ain't all surprised. No cap. Cause right now this shit is ugly. Like even US 30 looks like it wants to go short, but it's just that shit is not going. It is not going. And even though I do want to see it go short on Nas, I just think it's gonna at least run this high. So regardless, what I think is gonna do this trade is probably gonna be a L, regardless on the direction. Look at that, see? Feel like a magnet. Yep, there it goes. Now watch, it's gonna come back into the range. Watch, I'm gonna watch that shit. It's gonna come right back into the range. Come on, Kendall.
US 30 just been thinking everything else starts flying.
Yeah. This just look ass. It's probably just gonna trend higher. I'm done with Nas. Nas, you've been shit all week. I'm not even gonna bother with you. Get that shit off my screen. Go to your 30. Fuck that Nas shit. Like US 30 looks so good for the short still. And then Nas is just over here. Bullish now. But hey, what can we do? We can't move it. Yeah, US 30 was so much nicer for the short. So much nicer. Ran the previous high, Asian session high at 8:30. And almost tapped into the 700 level. If it would have tapped into 700, that would have probably been the ideal trade of the day. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. The only chance of a trade, in my opinion, for anyone to take that would make sense is trading US 30 and expecting it to just pull back and getting in at the gap and anticipating it's going to keep dropping lower. That's probably the only thing I see right now. Nas, I'm not even bothered. Nas looks complete shit. That shit's just in the air now. Look at that. Ran high, came back into the range. I wish I could say it wasn't predictable. Yeah, look at that. Mm-mm-mm. See, that's the main thing. Like I knew it probably was gonna go lower. It's just a matter of I knew the trade the idea wasn't gonna play out.
Probably come all the way back down just to go higher.
If it drops all the way, I
You
will
think
see
it
you Monday, my boy. Cause at that point, I ain't even gonna
I'm
look
already
at it.
not outmoving.
Bro, look at this. It's the fact that it did what I said to. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.
Let me see. This might be a reversal right here, though. This 30 selling back off.
Oh yeah, I don't know what's going on, bro. What the fuck is happening? Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
yeah, news just
Jesus
came.
fucking Christ. Fuck my life,
Them
bro. I don't
Bulls,
know
them
what I'm
Bulls finna
watching
fight.
anymore. I don't know what I'm watching.
Really fight.
Oh yeah, those scalps that I took from 500 level, them shits just got violated.
Shit. Right now, bro, everything is just violating. It literally stopped me out and then did what I said. Very unfortunate. And then US 30 is back underground again. Well, yeah. Ain't that some shit? Ain't that some shit?
Is indeed.
Yeah, this week wasn't it?
What news was that again? More.
Hmm.
I was trying to see what news that was. What's the forecast? Y'all just gonna leave a blank number?
Yo, Instagram's funny. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I mean, I can't say it wasn't predictable, I guess, but doesn't make me feel any better.
Yeah, NFP week. We expect this.
Yeah,
Granted.
I'm just mad. US 30 looks so nice and Nas wants to look so ass. There's never a day where I could look at one and they just one look. The one I'm looking at looks nice. It's usually the opposite. It's like, yeah, US 30 looks nice today. Let me look at it. Ends up being shit. Nas has the move I wanted. Damn, I'll get him tomorrow. Trey's Nas. US 30 has the move I wanted. Well, it's always next week. And then there goes Nas again up there. Jesus Christ. I don't even know what it's doing. I'm watching it and it's just big range. Like, if you really just take off all the markups and look at what's going on, it just looks complete shit.
Morning.
What's up, bro? It's the type of thing where I still have no idea what the market is trying to do. Like, US 30 is pretty clear, but Nas? Mm-mm. Still don't get it. Still don't get it. Do we even get a break of structure? No. There's a gap in here.
And that is the sun.
Mm-hmm. US 30's been selling off. This is like, Nas, what are you doing? At least drop. At least fully drop. Do something. Just watching paint dry again. I need ICT to be an active fucking calendar to tell me what days to trade. Cause at this point, he's my only hope to see this shit before it happens. His fucking genie ass.
Bro said he's not trading until February 7th.
February 7th, might have to retire now. Shit, cause
He said February 7th. What day is that on? Let me see.
it's probably a Tuesday or Thursday.
Tuesday.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Maybe the best days. Yeah, US 30's gone. Nas is just. I wouldn't even bother with Nas, bro. It's really just ugly as shit. It's possible if you maybe get lucky, catch it, but at this point, it's like you're just trying to catch everyone at this point because nothing is working. If you ain't catch this high, try to catch your retracement. That retracement don't work, you're back to square zero. If this isn't a high, we're back to square zero again, back to trending. We ain't even get no breaks of structure, so for all I know, it could still keep trending. It's not showing shit. The only break of structure we got, that shit flipped and reversed. So it's like, damn, what are you really trying to do here? What are you really trying to do here? Shit, the world may never know. World may never fucking know. Huh? Put in the microwave. Bro, fuck you, Nas, bro. What are you doing? Yeah, so much for that box. Just tapped it and that shit died. Yeah, I'm about to just walk away. There ain't really shit now. Now Nas is in the middle of the range. Yeah, there goes Nas. I'm probably done here. There really shit else to look for.
Need to go to the gym.
Or shit.
All right, y'all. I will catch y'all later.
Yeah, I'm about to scrape. This ain't it. I'm just wait. I feel like I'm just wasting my time looking at this.
Oh yeah, next week's gonna be lit.
Shit, I
For
hope
sure.
so. Hope so. December every year I've traded so far has been complete doggy, complete doggy. So we gonna see, cause we only got like
Yeah.
really 3 weeks to trade, if that, maybe even 2.5 before it
Shoot,
start holidays.
I passed my challenge in December last year.
Shit, just just off that, I would have took this off, took December off, just so I don't have to deal with that stress again. Cause I know that was a fun time for you. But nah, yeah, I'm gonna talk to you though, bro. I'm probably just gonna call it a day too. Right now, ain't shit happening. US 30 looks like it wants to go bullish. Nas looks like it wants to kill itself. So not really much I could do here. So yeah, I'm gonna just walk myself away. That's all I can do. But alright, Bruce, I'm gonna talk to y'all.
Peace.
Y'all be safe, stay productive, don't overtrade, and don't even trade this shit, cause this shit's fucking ass. This shit is fucking ass. But alright, boys, it was 50 minutes of nothing. So yeah, if you learned something, shit, we'll be back tomorrow. You know how it is. New day, new opportunity, new learning experiences. And today, you know what we experienced? Don't trade